We're in the northern mountains of Utah at a beautiful place called Bear Lake. It's a very beautiful, cold, freshwater lake, and there is a heck of a large resort on it called Blue Water Resort. Now, they called us in because they needed solutions on how to manage such a large facility. They have RVs, they have a hotel, they have rental gear for the lake, they have a convention center, they have a swimming pool, and none of it is connected with any type of network so that we could wire cameras. So the solution was wireless. I want to clear something up right off the bat. This is a wireless Wi-Fi camera. This is not what we're talking about. When you see a camera with an antenna, it's for residential use only. If you try and use these things in commercial applications, it just doesn't work out, and they usually end up in a year or two dying on the wall. But we're going to show you the commercial wireless and how we applied it here. Now, Professional Wireless Solutions is the right application for this facility simply because they have multiple buildings that need cameras, but they don't have a network connecting them all together. For example, they have a hotel over here. They need the parking covered over there. We've got boat rental and customer service areas over here. Over here, we've got an entry employee gate and housing for the employees, and then we have RV parking over here, and we've got a main entry point over here. All of these places need cameras funneled back to their front end so that they can effectively manage this facility. And our solution relies heavily on a wireless network that transmit 4K video to the front end, and it's beautiful. We'll show you how we did that. We're at the employee facility, service facility, and we've got 3 cameras on this particular building. You can see one of them right here, and our wireless antenna transmitting all 3 of those 4K cameras about 700 feet over to the main facility. So how did we do that? The cameras are regular IP cameras. They use a Cat6 cable to go from the camera to a PoE unit, power over Ethernet. It's just a glorified power supply. That's located in the electrical room of the building. The antenna has one Cat6 going to that PoE unit and simply plugs into it. That whole setup right there takes all 4 of the 4K cameras, live video, and transmits them 700 feet to our MVR in the management facility. Now, the reason we use these antennas, these are ubiquity, they're very secure. They can run 2 university buildings, and they're full networks with just 2 of these antennas. But we use them because you can go up to 2 or 3 miles on these things, and we've got them all over the place, and they are working great. We're back at the front end, back at the management facility. We've got 1 ubiquity antenna receiving the signal from 4 different locations. So we've got 700 feet away, we've got 3 4K cameras transmitting this way. Down at the boat dock, 1,000 feet away, we've got 3 cameras transmitting 4K video back to this antenna. Over here at the hotel, we've got 4 cameras transmitting about 700 feet back to this antenna. And over here at this building here, we've got 3 cameras transmitting about 500 feet to the antenna. All of it in real time, no drop in clarity, ultra secure, just like it was hardwired, incredibly reliable. This is their front end. This is their main viewing area. They can call any camera up to full screen anytime they want and see what's going on. You've got digital zoom, we've got optical zoom on the cameras, but the interesting thing about it is with all this transmission, there is 0 delay in transmission or clarity. Now, you're not seeing the robotic movement. It's nice fluid movement. It's so smooth, you can see the ripples moving on the water. That's what good 4K cameras look like.